well. Today I've got what I eat in a day video for you. It's been a long time since I filmed one of these videos and I love watching them, so I thought I would film another one. I used to upload these on my vegan channel, which I've been thinking about recently, and I think everything's gonna just go on this channel. I think it will mean I keep this channel updated more frequently than I have been doing. So yeah, today I'm going to show you everything that I eat. I love watching these videos because I feel like it gives me so many ideas for things to cook for myself, and I just love meal ideas and food ideas because I love food. I'm vegan, so these meals are all vegan, but I'm not someone that follows like a diet. I'm not really keen on diets, to be honest with you, so I'm just a normal person eating just regular food that just happens to be vegan, if that makes sense. So yeah, I filmed this yesterday, so hope you like it, and here's the video.
And she understood a little bit of that. The rest of them, I just told them, you know, I'm going to Berlin, I'm going to join the Foreign Service. So I packed the suitcase and the briefcase.
Hey guys, I don't have a green face anymore, so I'm just tidying up and getting ready to go to the gym. Well, I've got to leave in like 10 minutes. I really don't want to go, but I'll feel better when I've done it, I think. I'm back from the gym and someone is very excited to see me. Hello! 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 Oh, I know. Thank you! Thank you very much. That's so kind of you. Go on. I'm back from the gym, and it didn't go quite as I thought it would because when I turned up, my personal trainer had double booked, and so we rescheduled for tomorrow. I've been seeing a personal trainer now. Ow, my arm is like, everything hurts, and I'm dying. No, I've been seeing a personal trainer now for a couple of months. I've been really trying to make a concerted effort with like just taking care of myself more, because things got a little like the opposite of self-love, self-hate. Things got a bit shit for a while in how I was like looking after myself, and I decided that I would treat myself to a 6-month block of PT sessions. So I have been seeing this PT twice a week for the last, I would say, 2 months, about 2 months. I've been absolutely loving it. I didn't think that I would love it. I'm not really, I don't know, like I grew up doing dance and I like walking and hiking. I'm not really like a gym person, but I've become a gym person, which is quite interesting. And yeah, I've been loving it. Anyway, yeah, when I got there today, she realised she'd double booked, and it's, you know, it's not a big deal. We rescheduled till tomorrow. And so I decided to do my own thing, and I did a workout that I've wanted to try for ages, but if I'm being honest, I've been too self-conscious to do it because it's, I'll link it in the video description below, because it's a video that Grace Fit posted, and it's a treadmill based workout, but you kind of like doing a lot of jumping, jump squats and like lunges and walking squats, and it attracts a lot of attention, do you know what I mean? Because I feel like anything other than walking and running on a treadmill makes everybody stare at you. So anyway, today I was like, sod it, I am doing this workout, I'm not going to feel self-conscious. And all of the treadmills were like full of men who were like really built, muscly men, and like running, and you know, and I did this workout and they were staring at me at first, but then, I don't know, I felt self-conscious for a little bit, and then I was like, watch me lunge, peasants. My arse is now on fire and I might not be able to walk tomorrow, but it was a very, very challenging workout, and I'm really glad that I did it because now I just don't feel self-conscious, and I've broken a barrier, which is good. Anyway, now I'm bloody starving, and I defrosted, hopefully it's defrosted, this tempeh, and I'm gonna make like a rice and veggie bowl. I had something similar yesterday, so I've already got brown rice in the fridge that I cooked then, I would have tofu, but I've run out. So whilst that tempeh is baking in the oven, I am going to make a little frappuccino coffee protein shake thing. Yeah, this is the protein powder that I got, and it's so good. It's so good. If you've tried vegan proteins before and you didn't like them, I don't blame you, because most of them are shit, to be quite honest with you. They're really chalky, but this, it's by Awesome Supplements, and it's amazing. Those are the ingredients for those of you who are interested. So I just put this, 1 scoop of this with a double shot of espresso, which I'm just about to make, oat milk and ice, and blend it up. Just gonna drink this and carry on making my lunch. So this is the finished product. I've got sauteed vegetables, I've got mushrooms, peppers, sugar snap peas, baby corn, broccoli, that I just sauteed, some brown rice that I already had cooked in the fridge, so I just microwaved that, the tempeh, which has gone super crispy and it looks so good, and then I drizzled it with my tahini sauce, chopped spring onions and sesame seeds. This looks so good. I drizzled the tahini over it to look aesthetically pleasing when I showed you the meal, but I just poured the rest of the tahini sauce on top, and now it just looks a little bit gross, but it'll taste amazing. It's been Maddie and a cat have this face off every day. The cat sits outside the window and waits for Maddie to notice its presence, and she's noticed its presence. It's been a couple of hours since I had my lunch, and I'm getting a little bit peckish, so I'm going to have a yogurt. This is the Alpro Go On yogurt, and this is a really good soy yogurt if you're looking for kind of like an alternative. I've tried a few different types of yogurts, coconut yogurt, things like that. I'm not even really that big of a yogurt fan, if I'm being totally honest with you. I'm much more of a savoury snacker, but I did an avocado order recently, and these came up as like a recommended thing, and I was like, oh yeah, I kind of like those. We just got to the park. Matt is in London until late tonight. Normally we'll do like an evening walk together, a longer one, but it's horrible today. It's really rainy, and it's actually very foggy, so I'm just gonna walk Maddie in the park today instead. I'm actually starving. I'm so hungry, so I want to get this done and then I can go home and eat. Yeah, do you want to go for a walk? I always bring my AirPods to the park, so I can listen to something while I walk Maddie around. I usually listen to audiobooks or podcasts. I get asked about podcasts all the time, which ones I recommend. I subscribe to, I honestly am a podcast obsessed person. There's 2 new episodes of the ones that I like normally listen to straight away. Ono, Ross and Carrie I always listen to as soon as I see it in my list, and Cortex as well. Yeah, do you approve? Thank you. Muddy paws. Should we go get some food? I'm home and I'm hungry. Last night, no, not last night, the night before, Sunday, no, Monday. I'm all over the place. It's been bank holiday and I don't know what day it is. Monday, so bank holiday Monday, I made this insane meal. So I've tried this new product called Oomph, which is new to the UK. Yeah, it's like a soya meat, and it's really tasty. So they have like a pulled version, which is like a pulled pork kind of thing. They have one called the chunk, which is just like chicken pieces, I guess. You can just flavour it with anything. It's kind of like tofu, but it's more like a mock meat. And then they have one that's like kebab spiced. I've never actually had a meat kebab in my life, but I really like that in pita with salad. I'm really into it. And the other night I made like homemade fries with the pulled one on top, and then Oatly creme fraiche and hot sauce. And I think tonight I'm gonna make something similar to that. I love how like for lunch I ate the same thing that I ate yesterday, and now I'm gonna eat pretty much the same thing that I ate on Monday night, but I'm in the mood. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do it with sweet potatoes. I'm gonna give it a whirl. I'll see what I create, but I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna start it now. So this is the oomph on top of sweet potato, baked sweet potatoes. My camera just died, so I'm finishing this on my iPhone. But I'm gonna put some of this oat fresh on top. It's by Oatly, and it's like a creme fraiche, obviously, but I use it for so many things, and I use it in place of sour cream on top of things like this. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. So I added the Oatly creme fraiche on top, and also some diced onions, jalapenos, and chipotle hot sauce. Looks so good. So that was everything that I ate yesterday. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want more of these, then let me know in the comments down below. I will see you hopefully sooner. I'll not leave it as long next time. I think I said that last time. Please forgive me. Okay.